Is foot, knee or hip pain slowing you down or stopping from you doing the things you enjoy? As a podiatrist, what I genuinely enjoy about my work is helping people like you reduce lower limb pain so you can keep moving with confidence. That might mean walking comfortably, staying active, or getting back into sport without constantly thinking about your problem. Lower limb pain rarely arrives overnight. It often starts small, perhaps a sore heel, a tight Achilles, or a knee or hip that never quite feels right. Over time, you might find yourself adjusting how you move or avoiding certain activities, without realising pain is quietly limiting what you feel confident doing. That's where professional podiatry and musculoskeletal rehabilitation makes a real difference. No guesswork, no false promises, just understanding why pain is happening and what your body actually needs. I often see people who've tried resting, stretching or changing footwear, only to find the pain keeps returning. When we take the time to properly assess how you move, things usually become much clearer. From there, treating might include focused shockwave therapy, K-laser therapy, custom 3D printed orthoses, nail surgery where appropriate, or microgravity treadmill rehabilitation, all chosen based on what's right for you. If you're on your feet a lot, enjoy staying active, or simply want to remain mobile as you get older, this matters a lot. Pain doesn't usually go away when ignored. It adapts and often spreads. Understanding what's driving it early gives you control to help you stay active in the long term. I'm Darren Bloore, HCPC-registered podiatrist and co-founder of We Fix Feet. Our team provides professional podiatry and MSK rehabilitation using evidence-based approaches to help you reduce pain, maintain mobility and improve performance, whatever that looks like for you. Lower limb pain usually has an underlying cause. Understanding how you move often is the key to stopping pain from returning. The right treatment and rehabilitation help you stay active with confidence. And just so you know, we've seen every type of foot imaginable, so nothing you show us will come as a shock. If something's been niggling, lingering or quietly holding you back, getting clarity is often the smartest first step. Let We Fix Feet help you move well with confidence for the long term. So, call us now to speak with a friendly member of my team, or book online here at a time that suits you.